Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Cushiow.com. So as you can see right here, I have it here on our website. So if you don't know what this site is, they're basically a site that sells sneakers with their own brand. And as you can see right here, we can see their best-selling products. So sneakers like Nike, Jordans, and a lot more with like Adidas Sambas, Kobe's, and a lot more. And as you can see, if you're wondering if this site is legit, so if you're planning on buying this from this website, we have it here on Trustpilot, and see that the reviews are 4.1 out of 5 stars with 165 reviews. So they seem pretty legit right here. So as you can see, these people said my sneakers are comfortable and look amazing. Appreciate the excellent customer support throughout my order. This site is user friendly. Checkout was smooth. Quality at affordable prices. Got my order faster than expected. And basically, this person said the company needs to remove ASAP scamming company. Warning: do not buy from Cushiow. And basically, he received fake Kobe's. So as you can see, that is one thing to take note of. This person received fake ones. So if you're planning on buying from this website, I advise you to do some research before buying from them, since Trustpilot can be a bit untrustworthy sometimes, since there are a lot of people being paid to give 5-star reviews on here. So I advise you to buy Kobe's or other shoes like Jordans from other legit sites or legit retail stores, and not from these guys. So please, before buying from them, please do your research, and please do not expect them to be legit. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.